see how different brands and fashion designers take the same inspiration and create absolutely different collections. Let's start our chapter by one of the most iconic Italian design group called Memphis. This group was founded by Ettore Sottsass, who is a famous Italian architect and designer. He was bored of his job and in his 50s he came to India, where he got influenced by the rich colors that every strata of society was wearing. So he went back and established Memphis Group of Design. This group was active in 1980s and was famous for its colorful decoration and asymmetrical shape. To discuss our first fashion case, we will focus down on two founding designers, Nathalie du Pasquier, who is famous for her textile, furniture, clothing and jewelry, and another is George Swodin, who is famous for his black and white paintings. In 2017, Pierpaolo Piccioli, the creative head of Valentino, was looking for inspiration, and he finally went to both these artists and collaborated with them for his autumn-winter couture show. Bill Gayton, the creative head of Christian Dior, again created a collection in 2011 inspired by Memphis Group. All the shapes and colors were inspired by the iconic furnitures of this design group. In 2013, Provenza Schouler did their most talked about collection, which was again inspired by one art that Ettore Sottsass has done. The Memphis furniture again became one big inspiration for Valeska Jasucolado, and she presented one futuristic collection. Recently in 2017, two designers, Jivoy Choi and Min Kyung Kim, again created a collection inspired by Memphis Group. Famous graphic and textile designer Camila Villala created a collection whose graphics were completely inspired by Memphis. Karl Lagerfeld, the creative head of Chanel and Fendi, was so influenced by the Memphis Group that his house in 1980s was fully decorated by its furniture. And Adidas did a collection in 2014 which was fully Memphis inspired. The famous American Apparel launched their Memphis socks in 2010. In this chapter we learned that one art has not just inspired the luxury brands but also the premium brands. And now it is time for the assignment. The primary assignment is to research on 5 Indian and 5 international fashion designers who are inspired by artists. These can be sculptors, installation artists, product developers, painters, graphics, glass, and even architects. Document your findings in your design journal. Create a PDF presentation and upload on your behance.com so that it enhances your portfolio. And this brings us to the end of the chapter. Thank you.